Well, it looks like the neighbors vacated early in the morning. I got up around 7:30 or so to use the facilities, and they got up shortly after to actually to leave, apparently. Anyway, they're gone. Got the coffee going. Heating up some water for some coffee again. And gonna use one of those plastic cups. I couldn't reach the stupid lighter in the container, so I grabbed the matches. Anyway, he got me granola. All good to go. It's a good morning, I guess. It was like sprinkling a little bit overnight as well, but it's very nice and lush and green. Yeah, mornings are not my strong point. Still gunk in my eyes. But you know, it's 10:30 now. Checkout time is around noon, I think, and I have 4-hour drive or so today. Shouldn't be too bad. So yeah, just getting myself going. Nice thing is there's not a whole lot to do other than pull out one hair here. Other than just put this stuff back in the bus and close the bus and go. Pretty much. I mean, I gotta shift some stuff around. I got one of the coolers and the camping chair are in the front seat right now. So I was gonna have to put them away, one way or the other, and then I can just drive off. Completely drained the lithium-ion battery thingy last night, so it's gonna be charging again today. And the laptop ran out of battery too afterwards, so I'll be charging it later on today too. Fun times. But I still haven't bothered to take the generator out. It's still buried under piles of stuff, so I figure once I get to New Mexico, I'll run the generator a few times. There's nobody around anyway. Breakfast time. Yay. Alright. Decided to stop in Eureka and get some fuel. Even though it said I had 82 miles on the trip odometer, it took 11 gallons. So either the past one wasn't as good as I thought it was, or it was horrible on the last stretch. I'll do crunch numbers later. But anyway, time to get back on 101 and carry on down. I might stop for something warm shortly as well. I don't know.
Take the next right onto 4th Street.
No shit. Yeah, I still have the navigation running. Anyway, I might stop by somewhere and grab something. They didn't have anything inspiring in the gas station. So, yeah. Ooh, nice bus. Now, I do not want to run a red light in this state. I do not know what the laws are in California. And I don't care. I'm going to wait. There we go. Alright. Back on 101. And I should sign off.
Continue for 217 miles.
Yeah. It's 217 miles to go. Woohoo. Well, it got here. It's a really tight fit between those two trees, believe it or not. Could have done it at a slightly different angle and it would have been a little bit better, but whatever. It's in there now. So yeah, this is my site, 43. And I'm at Sugarloaf Ridge State Park. So there's quite a bit of a canyon road coming up here. But once you're up that, not so bad. Yeah, the beast was chugging at me coming up 101. It was not happy. I'm suspecting I need to put something in my fuel.
It was chugging like the fuel was bad. So we shall see. I'll dig some of that stuff out. And if I can't find it, I'll grab some tomorrow. There's got to be at least one AutoZone or O'Reilly's between here and Morrow Beach. Anyway, we're here. So it's not a bad spot. It's got a fire pit, which I'm not going to use. It's got a spot for a tent, which I'm not going to use. And it has a nice picnic table, which I will use. So, good stuff. So I'm just going to walk up the bus and go hit the bathroom. See if I can find it. And it should be good to start making food shortly. Because I'm hungry. And I need coffee. So, but yeah, I'm here. Well, sitting here recharging the laptop. I had a little bit of food and I had some coffee. And the frickin' flies are so annoying. There's one of them that likes to hover like right here just to annoy me. And of course, as soon as I turn on the camera, it's gone. Go figure. I hate flies. Normally they don't bug me, but when they do, they're just a total and utter nuisance. They never go away. There's a mosquito, oh no, another black fly or whatever it is, buzzing around. There it is. Go away. There's a couple of green bottles around and a few wasps of some sorts. Or hornets or bees, I'm not quite sure which they are. I haven't looked at them long enough to figure it out. Oh God, they're all over the trash over there. I see there's some sort of bee wasp thingy there, fighting with each other over my trash. Wasps, frickin' lovely. Well, I guess I better throw that stuff out pretty soon. I'm dealing with that crap all night. What a joy. I have to find where the trash is. It can't be too far away. But that's ridiculous. It's like, oh, there's food. I need it. Go get your own damn food. And there's that damn fly again. Right in front of my face. Go somewhere else. Anyways. Better drink my coffee and get rid of that trash.